Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to episode number 16 of this educational video series. I'm your host Vijay and I'm a CPA. Today we're going to take a look at an issue that recently came up in a conversation with a friend. The issue was how to treat the property or the service that you receive instead of the rent that you're supposed to receive on your rental property. So I thought might as well just make a video about this issue. It's very straightforward. It's very clear guidance on this by the IRS, and the guidance by the IRS is that if you receive a property or a service from your tenant instead of the money as your rent payment, then you're supposed to include the fair market value of that property or the service that you received as instead of a rent in your rental income for the year. So if the service or property was provided at an agreed upon price, then that agreed upon price becomes the fair market value. So let's take a look at an example, make things look clear. So let's say you have a rental property that you have rented out to a tenant. Your tenant pays you $500 per month in rent. Now for a given month, instead of paying you $500, your tenant offers to paint the apartment, and you accept that offer. So instead of paying you $500, he actually paints the apartment. Then in that case, for that particular month, you're supposed to include $500 for the service that he provided as rental income. So even though you did not receive any money for the rent, your tenant actually did perform a service at an agreed upon price, and as per the regulations, you're supposed to include that agreed upon price as rental income. In this case, the agreed upon price was 1 month's rent, so that means $500 you would have to include as rental income for the service that your tenant provided. Now, if you were to go out and get some other painter to paint your apartment, you would have been able to claim the deduction for the money that you paid to that painter. Similarly, even though your tenant painted the apartment, you can still write off that amount as a paint expense on your tax return. So it almost becomes a wash. But even though you did not receive money in a particular month, your tenant provided a service, and fair market value of that service should be included in your rental income for that particular month. So I hope that's clear to you all. If you have any questions about this or any other real estate accounting or tax issues, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is on your screen. I'll be more than happy to help you. That's it for now. Oh, one last thing before I sign off, everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with your friends and family who can benefit. That's it for now. Take care all. Bye-bye.